Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Thank you. I do really appreciate you all and greetings to you. I believe you are doing great. If you are new and you just stopped by, you are also warmly welcome. And I believe after watching this video, you'll be inspired to join this beautiful family. Today on our menu, we have tilapia pepper soup. We're going to put together some amazing ingredients that will bring out all the umami taste that we need in this tilapia pepper soup. Okay, I bet you that you'll be blown away. So let's get to the kitchen and get started. Let me first introduce you to all my amazing ingredients. I have with me fresh tilapia from the fishmongers, and they look so beautiful. They are well cleaned. I also have my homemade tomato puree, and this is so delicious, guys. So I'll leave the link in the description box below if you haven't seen the video. I also have my garlic, my ginger, my scotch bonnet pepper. I have my shallot. I have my cooked butter beans and carrots. Yes, and I have my juicy, fresh, beautiful tomatoes. Look at that. So now we're going to blend some of our ingredients and add it to our tilapia, which is already on the cooker top steaming. I've put my tilapia on the cooker top, added some seasonings and salt to taste, and it's steaming. So we're going to add these aromatics to the steaming process. And that's my garlic, my ginger, and I'll put this half shallot aside and use it later. Added some water for easy blending. If you are enjoying this video so far, give your girl a big thumbs up to give me more support and to encourage me to do more of these videos. Okay, don't forget to also recommend the channel to friends and families. But if you are new and you love my beautiful video and what you are seeing, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button as well to get more updates from me. Now our ingredients well blended, we're going to add it to the steaming stage. I smell something good. I love what I'm smelling. The aroma is so good and I'm so loving this. I'm so loving this. The house is heavily right now, as I always say. I'm now adding my fresh juicy tomatoes. And yes, guys, we are still at the steaming process. I'm now also adding the half shallot. I'm going to cover it up. Come back in about 5 minutes time to see if it's tender, and then we blend them. Yes, they are nice and tender. So we're going to blend our tomatoes and our shallots. I love the aroma. I can't stop smelling it. Smells so good. Smells so good. Wow, this is so magical. So we're going to blend tomatoes, shallot together with our carrots and our butter beans. Because I'm using blender, there's no point throwing away the skin, okay? So I'm leaving the skin on. All I need to do is to make sure that I blend it nicely and smoothly. Back in the day when blender was not so common, and then we were using earthenware and the grinder or the etter to grind all our vegetables to make our soups. That was when we were advised to take off the skin or take away the skin in order to make our work easier. But since we are using blender, I don't think there is any point to throw away the skin, because the blender can blend it smoothly without leaving bits in it. It's now smoothly and nicely blended, and we are now adding it to our soup. Guys, we are done with the steaming process. So now we're going to add more water since we are done with the steaming stage to take our soup to the level that we desire. Guys, now let's check the thickness level. Okay, this is good. I'm going for this thickness. You can add more water if this is too thick for you, or you can leave it like this. Now I'm going to leave it on for 15 minutes and then come back and check if the soup is ready. By then it should be ready because we don't intend to cook our soup for more than 20 minutes because the main job was done at the steaming process, which took about 15 to 20 minutes to steam the tilapia and the vegetables to bring all their flavors out. So we just added water just to make it soup at least, so we don't need to overcook our meat, that's our tilapia, and also to overcook anything in here, or else we're trying to let the soup lose its nutrients, and that's a no for me, guys. So in this video I replaced my normal garden eggs with carrots, and the soup is so amazing. Ever since I discovered carrots, guys, it's been my thing. I have always substituted garden eggs with carrots and I've never ever regretted. Guys, soup is ready and the fufu is served. Thanks for watching and I hope you are inspired. See you all again in my next video. I'm so hungry and I need to eat right now. Bye bye. Try the recipe and bring me the feedback. I love you all. Stay blessed. Mwah. Kiss.